suppose you're gonna want ice cream again today, huh? Yeah. So as it goes, so you push that rubber band all the way down, all the way, yeah. Now go ahead and bounce it and see where that rubber. You need a haircut. What is that? Yeah, you do. You can have my bottom baller off my bike.
I already have it.
And what you do with it?
I put it in my cooler.
You mean the pink purse?
No, what? My pink cooler.
Your pink purse?
No, my pink cooler.
Your grandma's pink purse?
No, my grandma's pink cooler.
Yeah, I think so. That's too hard.
Three, two, one.
No, it's too slow.
My feet are floating because I have
Say hello to your mom and dad.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
We're floating out to sea. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
He's the one who gets me in all the trouble. And has some of the best brisket in Texas. Try to find a warm spot.
Oh, I left one right there.
Yep. Wow.
You found it.
No, I said I was looking for one because I kicked up all the cold water.
I forgot to ask. You can swim some, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I know how to swim.